Did you know that the skills you select on Upwork can make or break your visibility to clients? In this video, I'll show you the smart strategy for choosing the perfect skills to get your profile noticed. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Your skills section is crucial for appearing in search results and attracting the right clients. Choosing them wisely is like picking the right keywords for your profile. Let's optimize yours. First, access your skills from your profile editor. Go to your profile, find the Skills section, and click to edit. Upwork allows you to add up to 10 skills, but quality and relevance are far more important than quantity. Start with your core, specialized skills. These should be the services you're truly an expert in and want to be hired for. Be specific. Instead of just writing, choose technical writing or SEO writing. Instead of design, choose logo design or Adobe Illustrator. Next, look at job postings in your field. See what skills clients are consistently asking for. If you see a relevant skill mentioned often that you possess, add it to your list. This helps you appear in more client searches. A crucial pro tip: Upwork has a massive, predefined list of skills. Start typing and select from their official list. Using official skills ensures the platform's algorithm correctly matches you with jobs. Avoid creating custom skills unless it's absolutely necessary for a very niche offering. Finally, prioritize and order your skills strategically. Place your strongest, most in-demand skills at the top. You can also mix in 1 to 2 broader, complementary skills. For example, a web developer might list JavaScript and React.js as core skills, and add technical documentation as a valuable secondary skill. And just like that, you've supercharged your profile's searchability. The right skills act as a beacon for your ideal clients. If this strategic guide helped you, please give it a like. What's one core skill you're leading with on your profile? Share it in the comments below. To complete your profile story, subscribe for our next video on how to write a strong Upwork bio. Thanks for watching.